सर तव्हांजो आवाज़ नथो अचे, म्यूट कयो पंहिंजो पाण, अनम्यूट कयो पंहिंजो पाण खे। काइंडली अनम्यूट कयो पंहिंजो पाण खे, आवाज़ नथो अचे सर। सर तव्हांजो आवाज़ नथो अचे। हाँ हींअर बिल्कुल सही आहे। म्यूट न कयो
सही आहे, ठीकु आहे,
ठीक है सर।
जी जी,
हाँ हींअर
हाँ
कंटिन्यू
ठीकु आहे।
ओके।
So fracture definition, it is the break in the normal continuity of the bone. There are different types of fracture, may be complete, incomplete, displaced, undisplaced, depending upon the wound, depending upon the shape of the fracture. The fractures in the children, green strip fractures, the fractures may be traumatic or pathological fractures. Very. So the fracture mostly automobile accidents, major cause, mainly automobile accidents, motorcycle injury common in young adults, fall from height, sports injuries, and then fall at home, travel injuries, machine injuries, repeated stress fractures, gunshot injuries, pathological fractures in the bone, metabolic bone diseases, defective collagen. All these are the causes of fractures. Means majority of the cases are automobile accidents in young adults, and then fall, sports, machine injuries, gunshot injuries, pathological, metabolic, defective, so on. So emergency management of the patient starts from the spot. What will you do at the spot of the accident? So emergency management of the accident, and at the tertiary care center shifted from the accident site up to the center or any other hospital. Each at the scene of the accident, okay, shifting of the patient. So no rescue team all over the country. Ambulance services are required. Patients either report at different hospitals. Najawari. So first priority is to save patient's life. In management of the fractures, try to save the patient's life first. ABC, airway, breathing, circulation. Clear the airways and cervical spine care. You must assess breathing, and also you must do bleeding control. The bleeding may be internal or external. For external bleeding, you can press the bleeding point or bleeding wound. And for internal bleeding, you immobilize the patient in a splint. Circulation to prevent shock. So ABC, you must assess and you must save the patient's life first. Airways, breathing, circulation, then deformity, then deformity, and then exposure, and then Foley's catheter. All these are the methods to save the patient's life. That is ATLS program, ATLS protocol program, in which we manage the patients according to ABC. Airways, breathing, circulation, the ATLS program. The students are mostly asked, what is the ATLS program? So ATLS is the life measures for accidental cases, airways, breathing, circulation, and then other deformity, exposure of the affected part, and then the Foley's catheter. So advanced trauma life support program is the most important protocol to save the life of the patient suffering from accidents. So life-saving measures to maintain the airways and cervical spine care already discussed. Maintain the breathing, next priority, and circulation to assess the shock and its treatment. Means IV line maintenance, drips, blood, and you assess the disability of the patient and also the environments or exposure of the fracture site or exposure, whole exposure of the patient to observe other injuries such as chest injury, head injury, abdomen injury, or any fracture. So you must assess parts. Fractures mostly classified according to AO classification. Worldwide acceptable classification is AO classification. Type A, simple fracture. Type B, 3 fragment with wedge piece. Wedge piece is present. Type C, comminuted with multiple fragments. Multiple fragments, that is type C. All these fractures are again subdivided into. We already discussed in previous lecture in general principles, AO classification. The fractures are numbered, or fractures are specified names A, B, C. If fracture is comminuted with multiple fragments, we can write type C. And also numbering of the long bones such as humerus number 1, radius ulna number 2, femur 3, and tibia fibula 4. If there is comminuted fracture of the distal femur means number 3. C means there is comminuted fracture of the distal femur. Metaphyseal fractures, diaphyseal fractures, epiphyseal or articular fracture. Front also typing of the fractures. Now we must concentrate about today's, that is the management of the fractures. So emergency treatment at the scene of the accident. Emergency treatment at the scene. मिसाल आप कोई ट्रेन पलटी हो जाए, रोड पे कोई लाइफ, ये जो बड़ी ये जो हैं, मिसाल आग लग जाए या कोई ह्यूज एक्सीडेंट, ह्यूज इमरजेंसी हो जाए, व्हाट विल यू डू एट द सीन ऑफ द एक्सीडेंट? If you are present at the scene of the accident, what will you do? Save patient's life. You must clear the airways. Then you call the ambulance service. You will call the rescue teams. Your responsibility will be take care of, make the spine straight. Because if cervical spine, there is injury, there is affection or damage to all the 4 limbs. So assist breathing and also bleeding points. You can pressure bandage you can apply to close the bleeding point. And you also assess the breathing. So IV line maintenance, if facility is present there, IV line maintenance, give fluids to avoid hypovolemia. That is most important, IV line maintenance and any fluid. Then hospital administration information. You can provide information to the hospital that huge emergency and patients are shifting. of the discipline the fracture at the scene of the accident by long slip can give sling to the upper limb so fracture can be immobilized. For lower limb, you can apply the long slab, long wooden slab you can apply, or you can tie the limb with other limb also. In this way, will move and other complications, neurovascular compression can occur. So immobilization of the fracture gives its importance. Proper treatment will start at the hospital. Then patient shifted at trauma center or any other hospital. So fractures, closed fractures and open fractures. A fracture in soft tissues remain intact. The fracture hematoma not communicates with exterior skin barrier is intact. That is closed fracture. Mostly asked what is closed fracture, what is open fracture. Closed fracture means there is no any wound. There is no any bleeding outside. There is the fracture bone is communicated with external environment. So when there is communication with the exterior, there is wound at the fracture site, chances of infection. So closed fractures are treated either by plaster cast or internal fixation. And open fractures, internal fixation not indicated. Open fractures, mostly external fixation is done by the external fixators. So this is the main theme for treatment of the closed and open fractures. Big slab, you can apply internal fixation when swelling is subsided. But in case of open fractures, emergency, you can do proper debridement of the wound and then external fixation of the fractures. So that is also way to treat the fractures, that fracture is closed or fracture is open. The treatment methods differ variably. Closed fracture means plaster slab or internal fixation. Open fractures means immediate and then external fixations to immobilize the fractures to prevent the neurovascular damage. So diagnosis of the fractures is very easy from history, from mechanism of trauma, young adult going by hit, then falling at the site of injury, pain and swelling at the site of injury, positive tenderness and creepiness at the site. So these are the, if you attend the patient at emergency, casualty, trauma center, you can assess by the look of the patient that if lower limb is affected, means the limb, you will see the limb is short. The limb is external dislocation. The limb is short. In case of upper limb fractures, the swelling is obvious, very huge swelling is present, and deformity is also present. So one can diagnose the fractures easily by first look, by swelling, by deformity, by not to use the fractured limb. Okay. Then X-rays will be done. In case of X-ray, you must go through कौन सा है X-ray में one is rule of two in X-rays, that you may advise the two views, anterior-posterior and lateral views, two joints, proximal as well as distal. Okay, two occasions, today and after few days. Okay, then two parts, normal part and the affected part. These things are most important. We already discussed in general principles of the fractures, rule of two in X-rays. Sometimes bone scan but that is the delayed procedure. That is the delayed investigation. Immediate investigations are examination of the patient by surgeon, and then X-rays, and then other injuries must be assessed also. ऐसा नहीं सिर्फ fracture नहीं. You can assess the abdominal injury. You can assess the chest injury. You can assess for head injury, consciousness of the patient, Glasgow-Coma scale. You can assess. Okay, breathing, any tension, pneumothorax or hemothorax, bleeding, breathing will be disturbed. In case of hypovolemia, internal bleeding in the abdomen can also. So other delayed investigation, CT scan, MRI you can do, but immediate treatment of the patient, accidental case, IV line maintenance, ATLS program, and then X-ray, proper X-rays, and then proper splintage of the patients or of the fractures is must. Then other step, you will survey for other injuries also, and then procedures. So how to advise X-rays? Rule of two. Yes. Rule of two. 2 times, 2 views, 2 times, 2 sides, and 2 joints must be included. Already discussed. So fracture management, resuscitate of the patient. Resuscitation of the patient at the scene of the accident, at the trauma center. Resuscitation by ATLS program. Advanced Trauma Life Support Program. Means you must resuscitate the patient by A, B, C, D. Airways clear, breathing, you must assess clear, circulation, and then deformity, exposure. So resuscitation of the patient is must. IV line maintenance is must. IV line maintenance, and then fluid through IV line, any fluid, dextrosaline, normal saline, hemasaline, or any. Then you must transfuse blood arrangement. तब तक क्या IV line maintenance. Then blood arrangement. If blood group is not matching, group negative is universal donor. You can give a negative group to any patient. So resuscitation of the patient is must for fracture management, emergency fracture management. Because fracture management depends upon if there is cold case or if there is emergency case. We are discussing emergency fracture management. For emergency resuscitation and all these things, and for cold case which attend or which comes at OPD, we will admit the patients and we will do definite procedures for the fractures. For the immediate management, for the emergency fracture, resuscitation is must. And then you can the patient whole. For rib fracture, for mandible fracture, skull fracture, okay, abdominal injury, spine injury, then you will reduce the fracture and apply traction or mobilization of the patient. So 4 eras of open fracture treatment. Open fracture treatment is the emergency treatment. Open fracture is the orthopedic emergency. Of open fractures, the classification is named as Gustilo classification, Gustilo-Anderson classification. So open fractures, the classification depends upon the size of the wound. If wound is short, then 5 centimeter, grade 2, 3. Depends upon the contamination of the wound. How much contamination is present. Depends upon the exposure of the bone. Depends upon the periosteum. Depends on the circulation, distal circulation. If there is distal circulation affected, then grade 3C. So grade 1, 2, 3, ABC. Open fracture is the orthopedic emergency. So life preservation, first aim is to life preservation. and then limb preservation. Limb preservation means limb preservation means fixation of the limb or immobilization of the limb by friction or by splintage, plasters. Acha, then infection avoidance, proper debridement in case of open fractures, and then the last, functional preservation. So life preservation is at most important, and then limb preservation, and then avoidance of the infection. So orthopedic emergency, open fractures must be, surgical toilet must be given, must be done in emergency, and the external fixation of the bone can be applied in emergency. So different types of treatment for fractures: closed fractures, undisplaced and conservative or non-operative treatment. If displaced fracture, then operative treatment is advised. If fracture is closed and undisplaced, means conservative method. If fracture is displaced, then operative type. What are the indications of, what are the indications of operation? Orthopedic. Indications of operation in orthopedic. कौन से indications है जब operation जरूरी? Number one, open fractures. Number two, joint fractures, intra-articular displaced fractures. Number three, vascular injuries. Okay. And number four, in which the chances of AVN fracture at the site where chances of AVN are maximum, such as in case of fracture neck of the femur, chances of AVN of the femoral head occur. In case of fracture of the talus, chances of AVN of the talus. In case of scaphoid fracture, chances of AVN are much more. So immediate fixation is important in these fractures. Avoid the, if undisplaced, then conservative or non-operative. If displaced, then operative is advised. And then first aid. First aid includes first aid. First aid by emergency treatment. Then assessment of the injured part. Assessment of the injured part by distal pulses. Okay. Temperature, limb is cold, at local area, color of the skin you can assess by examination, color of the skin.
हेलो आवाज अच्छी पे हो सर मुझे हेलो
यस सर आवाज आ रही है।
ठीक है बेटा
सर स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही आपकी, स्क्रीन शेयर करें।
एक मिनट आप स्टूडेंट थोड़ा थोड़ा सब्र करें सर सर डॉक्टर साहब कहाँ की आवाज अच्छी पे मुझे हेलो
सर असां खे अची पई।
तव्हां पंहिंजी माइक 5 मिनट बंदि कयो सर जो थोरो मसइलो आहे उहो हल कयो तव्हां स्टूडेंट पंहिंजी माइक न कयो
सर बस लेक्चर वठिजो।
हेलो सर आवाज अचे थो कोई तो मसइलो आहे तव्हां नाले कहिड़े सां आहियो तव्हां नालो ई मूं वटि छो कोन थो थिए ज़हूर साहब सां नथो अचे मूं वटि सर तव्हां ज़हूर साहब जे नाले सां कोन हाणे मुंहिंजो आवाज़ तव्हांखे हिते अचे पियो ॿुधण में पंहिंजो ज़ूम ते हाणे हीअं कयो तव्हां पंहिंजी माइक तव्हां खोले मूंसां ॻाल्हायो हाँ माइक खोलियो ऐं मूंसां हाणे ज़ूम ते ॻाल्हायो हेलो हेलो स्टूडेंट्स आप 5 मिनट अपना माइक बंद रखें ये मसला हल करें हेलो डॉक्टर साहब आवाज चलो सर हेलो हेलो अच्छा ही तव्हांजो सर नालो ई
हेलो
हाँ ठीकु आहे तव्हांजो नालो आहे 3x जे नाले सां थो अचे इन करे शो न पियो थिए हाँ ठीकु आहे मां तव्हांखे सेट करे थो छॾियां हींअर हाणे तव्हां हाणे पंहिंजी तव्हां स्क्रीन कयो शेयर
हाणे बि नथी थिए
हिकिड़ो हिकिड़ो हाणे कयो सर तव्हां पंहिंजो नालो आहे न उहो पंहिंजो नालो सही करे छॾियो
सही आहे Restart.
सर सर पंहिंजो पाण खे तव्हां म्यूट हटायो
म्यूट हटा
ठीकु आहे हाणे तव्हां बस कंटिन्यू कयो
हाँ so again reconnected. So we are discussing different types of fracture treatment. Different types of fracture treatment. The types depend upon the wound, depending upon the site of the fracture, depending upon the either there is closed fracture or open fracture, either fracture is old or either fracture is fresh. So there are different types of treatment for fracture. If fracture is closed but displaced, means surgery is indicated, internal fixation is indicated. If there is presence of wound on the fracture site, means the fracture or patient needs immediate treatment, immediate wound debridement and then fixation. So closed and open fractures of the tibia, the diagrams are shown, different classification, type 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 3, A, B, C, already discussed. So different modalities of fracture treatment different modalities. Plaster cast and then traction. There are different types of traction, then functional braces, and then internal fixation methods, and then external fixation. Plaster cast mostly is the first aid treatment of the fractures. Plaster cast. In other words, you can apply back slab or posterior slab or slab support. These are the different types for immobilization of the fracture. In case of upper limb, in case of humerus, U slab can be applied. In case of radius ulnar fractures, back slab. In case of tibia fracture, back slab. And you can also apply traction to immobilize the fracture site, such as femur fracture, dislocated hips, or other joints. There are two types of the traction: skin traction and skeletal traction. Skin traction, simple bandage is applied, and then weight is applied. And then skeletal traction, the pin is passed through the distal part, and then traction is applied to overcome the fracture site. If fracture site is overcome, then pain will be relieved. And there are also other methods of fracture treatment, functional braces after initial treatments, and then in the last stage is functional braces achieve the functions of the joint. Then internal fixation, different methods: plate, screw, intramedullary nailing, wires, screw fixation, rush nails, flexible nails. There are also other advanced methods, and then external fixation. So first aid measures already discussed. Other femoral or hip fractures, you can apply skin tractions, long leg support, skeletal tractions. You can apply braces to immobilize the limb. In case of open fractures, wound debridement, dislocations or emergencies must be reduced as soon as possible. If there is hip dislocation, must be reduced immediately. And apply skin traction. Different types of methods for hip reduction or joint reduction. In sedation, joint can be reduced. In case of general anesthesia, joint can be reduced and then immobilized. So rules for open fracture treatment: wash the wounds with antiseptic solutions, iodine and saline, then cover the wound after cleaning. Don't put stitches on open fractures. Leave the wound open because there are chances of disc injury. And support the limb by the posterior slab. Elevate the limb to avoid the edema. Then anti-tetanus toxoid is also must be given. So these are the rules for fracture treatment: wound debridement, leave the wound open, support the limb, elevate the limb, and indications of internal fixation of the fracture: displaced fractures, long bone fractures, intra-articular displaced fractures, unstable fractures. These are the indications for internal fixation. Fractures with nerve injuries or vascular injuries. Okay, so fractures neck of the femur, fractures with multiple fractures, spinal fractures. These are the indications of internal fixation of fractures. Means displaced fractures, displaced intra-articular fractures, unstable fractures, the fracture sites where the chances of AV are much more. Then neurovascular injury, multiple fractures. So these are the indications for internal fixation of the fracture. These are some diagrams: plaster cast, Dynacast. Advanced method is Dynacast, colored plaster. You can in female colored plasters you can apply. Other methods: femoral fractures, fixation with intramedullary nailing. Advanced method, the different types of nailing, but you must know that fracture of the femur or ipsilateral injuries or different fracture at the neck and then diaphyseal. So different types of intramedullary nailing are beneficial. So fixation with plate and screws also can be. You can be asked in examination that this X-ray what it shows. You can say that fracture of the femur or plating screws So fractures treated by plaster cast or traction and then followed by plaster cast. In case of X-ray. Okay. Or patients who are not medically fit for surgical procedures, you can immobilize the fractures by taking or by long slaves. So complications of fractures, we already discussed that early and late complications. Early complications, nerve injury, vessel injuries, shock, pulmonary embolism, general complications, infection, septicemia, then crush syndrome, gastric, these are local, tetanus, multi-organ failure. Late complications regarding the fracture site, non-union, male union, stiffness of the joint, limb shortening, growth, arrest. All these already discussed. So closed tibia fractures, interlocking nail, different types of radiographs, tibia plate to fractures, different types of fixation of the plates. This X-ray also shows external fixation, external fixator in case of like in case of open fractures. So external fixation is indicated in case of open fractures because chances of infection, you must avoid the internal fixation. But you can diagnose in the X-ray that what is this type of implant. So this is the external fixator, right in case of external fixators, different types. There are different types of fixators, and these types description of the types by PG students. At the undergraduate level, you can say that this type of fixation is external fixators. There are different types of external fixators, open fixators, main indication. I fracture, intertrochanteric fracture, different types of DHS or other. So femoral dashes, fracture, internal fixation, radius ulnar fracture, internal fixation of the radius ulnar fracture by plating DCPs. Then supracondylar femur fractures, fixation with different types of the plates, DCA, supracondylar plate. So fracture neck of the femur treatment depends upon the age. If there is child age or the femoral head must be saved, and then internal fixation by different types of screws, knolls, pins, or SOVAT or K-wires can be done. And in case of adults, in case of old age, 50, 60 years, 70 years, remove the head and application of artificial prosthesis, fracture neck of the femur with prosthesis diagram, X-ray. Okay, thank you. Our question is it's your time. Let's close. In the next lecture, we will discuss the regional fractures, upper limb fractures and lower limb fractures. साईं को है असांजो सॼो WhatsApp हेॾे अची वियो हिन जे लैपटॉप में हे त वेठा हे त तूं ख़तरनाक माण्हू आहीं